Hello, everyone. My name is Linda Gundo. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around the Philadelphia area. We do full service, partial, month of coordinations. We do custom events. We do milestone celebration. So anything that need planning and decorating, we handle it all. I have many years of experience in this industry. I'm a certified wedding planner and a certified florist. So if you need wedding, I'm a business caterer. If you want planning aspect where you want us to just plan every detail of your weddings, we do that as well. If you need decor, we do that. Or if you just need some floral arrangement, whether for event in your home, wedding bouquet, wedding banneret, ceremony stage, ceremony decor, birthday celebration, anything that needs that, we do that as well. I meet my clients at the stage that they are in the planning. Let's say for a DIY bride, if you want to do a coordination services, we do that as well. Because no two clients are alike, and everybody needs is different. So I tailor my package to fit the needs of every client, and I make sure that every client get the needs that they want and do everything and as perfectly as possible as we can. So today I'm going to talk to you the benefit of having the right people on your team, the right people to help you plan your wedding. Yesterday I briefly talked about having the right vendor, the venue, so many things you need to look out for. But as and I'm going to tell you some of the benefit as well as, because we talk about the benefit of having a wedding planner, we'll talk about the benefits of doing things a specific way. What I recommend if you're planning, you can watch previous videos where I talk about the 10 steps and all the steps, the 50 steps, how to plan your perfect wedding, the wedding budget, your floor arrangement, and everything in every aspect. So today, I'm going to talk about researching the right people, and also things that you may need at last minute that you may take advantage of that you don't know that is important to your event. So with 4D, this is focusing on my DIY brides. So if you're hiring a caterer, for example, you want to make sure that caterer comes with a team. It's not just them cooking the food. Some caterer would just cook. You want to hire, in a nutshell, you want to hire a full service caterer. And what I mean by full service caterer, somebody who not only cook, but they have staff to serve your food. They have staff to clean up. They have things not just making your food. Some If you're utilizing some venue, most venue recommend you have a full size caterer, or sometimes they may contract other people extra for you that'll do those services, cleaning and picking up and things like that. But instead of paying extra money for this other group for this run, if you hire one person and they specialize, it makes everything run smoothly, because it's a moving part. It's like a puzzle. You don't want 10,000 different people on your in your event. You're already going to have a DJ, you're going to have a photographer, you're going to have a videographer, you're going to have the venues, you're going to have a lot of things. So the less people that you have, the better. Because let's say, and then it cohesively works. You don't want somebody to say, well, that's not my job, it's this person's. So especially when it comes to venue, caterer, and you don't want them saying, well, a decor person, well, that I'm not supposed to do that. This person is in charge together. Because sometimes with a wedding, things happen, and you want to hire people who are professional and not willing to work together. Because like for example, and this is happening a lot of time when I'm planning a wedding, sometime maybe the decor person might need help, or maybe somebody else might need help. And because I know I want to work cohesively to make sure that that venue and the client wedding goes as smoothly as possible, I work along with them to make sure, hey, if you need help to do something, I'm here, or maybe my staff can help you, as long as it's not, you know, heavy lifting and doing extra. I don't mind helping set up and do certain things like that. But you might have some people say, well, oh no, that ain't got nothing to do with me. I'm just here to cater and that's it, or I'm just here to DJ, that's it, and this is my job. In actuality, they are right. But the thing about it, the main goal is for your client days to go well. So make sure when you're hiring people, you hire professional, research them, how to work on a team, how to be a team player. Because as I said yesterday, one person can ruin your whole venue, your whole wedding, your whole detail, and you can be in a big mess. So one, you want to plan out your time to make sure that you hire the right people. And as I said, the benefit of hiring a wedding planner, and I'm going to retouch on this, is that because we have a network of people in our pocket. So, not to say like, but when a vendor knows that a wedding planner contact them specifically, they are more willing to, you know, work with, because they know that we are referring the client. They want to make sure our client happy. They're setting discount, setting packages that we, they will be willing to give that planner, because they know, hey, we bringing business to them. There's something else, and we don't get anything. Let me make it specific clear. I shouldn't say that. 90 most planner. I was, you know what? Let me speak for myself. For me, as a wedding planner, I don't take any kickback. What a kickback is, or extra money. Let's say if you refer this person, then based on you get some kind of commission or something like that for working with them. And most people probably hate me for saying this, but it's in the actuality. I don't, because my thing is that I want my client to be happy. Some wedding professionals do that, not a lot. Maybe you might find a few. And I understand why they're doing that, because it's like, but I feel like if I do that, that couple, I don't need the money. Like, no, okay, let me rephrase this. I shouldn't say I don't need the money. It's not because of that. It's because of, I don't want to be tied down to somebody to say, oh, well, you're supposed to refer this person to me, or you are the exclusive person that I'm referring all the time. Now, if things doesn't work, if I feel like you're not the best fit, you're not the best fit. When my client call me, or they tell me, hey, Linda, I have X, Y, and Z people, and this is my budget. I need this. I reach out to all my vendor. Hey, this is the client that needs something. I need a package. Tell me what you can work within this package. Whoever give me the best score, the best rate, I go with you. And I let the vendors know that. I don't just go say, oh, okay, no. When I'm contacting you, I'm contacting different information. And I let them know exclusively, this is based on the client selections. I have nothing to do with that. Because if a client is not happy with that service, I don't want to be blamed for something else. So I want them to make that decision themselves. Hey, this is the clients that I found. I can give my recommendation, but I want them to look at that service, see if it's a fit for them, and then they can go forward and move that. I don't want to, because I don't want to be liable for certain things. Yes, I refer them, but you ultimately make the decision. If that makes any sense, it saves you a lot of headache. It saves you a lot of hassle from a lot of different things. So those are how it works. So when you hire the benefit, so some of the benefit of hiring a planner, they help. The word plan, they help coordinate, manage. They help save you a lot of money. You might look at it like you're spending a lot of money, but they help save you a lot of money. So please, please, please make sure, if you don't hire one, make sure you have somebody who know the kids, because once you call, there's no time to it. They're gonna give you the flag rate. The rate is the rate, but that's the benefits of having resources and being in business for a while. You have certain percentage and certain packages that they may give you that they may not give to anybody else. But thank you for watching. Please, you can sign up if you want to learn, and then if you want to learn all the things how to plan your wedding by yourself, you can sign up for my classes that I have, DIY classes, what I can teach you how to plan your own wedding from start to finish. You can also, if you have upcoming weddings coming up, you can also go to my website at www.lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com, where you can sign up for a free 30-minute consultation. Tell me about your events, what it is, and I can tell you about some of my service. And if you have questions about upcoming events and things that you need to know, you can do that. There's no fee associated with it. Whether you decide to go with my service or not, you're not liable to sign for anything. There's no healing contract. That 30 minutes just for me to talk to you, you talk to me, and then we go from there. But I guarantee that once you speak to me, you will know that I am the best fit for your wedding and everything that you dream about. But hey, don't take my word for it. But once again, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I really appreciate you guys, because it takes a lot to do this, because it's like sometimes as I speak to you, I literally just got home. I was in North Carolina for a wedding. I literally just got home last night. If you watch my video, I was actually doing my video while I was at the venue, and so the days, like, I literally just got off the flight and I'm in the office, and I just wanted to go ahead and do it, because I know once I hit my day, I would probably just scratch somewhere. So I figured let me just get it out of the way. But thank you so much and have an amazing day. Bye.